Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your guy Susan. Alright, today's video I'm going to walk you along in making crispy biscuit with just 3 ingredients. We'll be needing all-purpose flour, we'll be needing some condensed milk, we'll be needing some butter room temperature, and we'll be needing some pinch of salt and some vanilla extra. Alright guys, please check the description box for full details and the quantities that I use. Yes, if you want to make a double portion, you know you're definitely going to increase the quantities. So before I continue this video, I just want to advise you, please don't melt your butter. Don't melt your butter in the microwave or in the fire, because if you do so, you are going to have a runny biscuit. It's going to melt in the oven. Please. And before you start this process of preparation, make sure you on your oven, preheat it very well. Because when your oven is well preheated, it makes your biscuit look firm without melting. So it will block the melting process and start cooking immediately. The cooking time for this biscuit is 15 minutes. You're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees, but when you have to cook, you have to bake it with 150 degrees, because whenever you add condensed milk to your bakings, you have to be very careful, because it's a kind of getting burnt without cooking properly. So you have to reduce the oven power, and so you can cook your biscuit well. All right guys, this process I started with using effect to press down the butter so I can add some condensed milk, after which I'm going to use an electric mixer and I just mix very well. But you can also do this with the help of a spatula if you wish, but to make the whole process fast and easy, I choose to go for electric mixer. Alright guys, if this is the very first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you find my content interesting. In this channel, I do everything fast recipes, simple and affordable. Once in a while, I also engage in DIY, hair masks, face scrub, and whatever. All are self-proven, self-made, so it is so harmless. Alright guys, please remember to subscribe. Always subscribe with your notification bell on, so you will not miss any of my update. Alright guys, let's continue with the preparation. This is where I'm adding the flour. I didn't add it once. I added it gradually. You don't have to make this process too strong or too soft, because you're going to have a difficult problem if it's too strong to get the shape you want to get. And if it's too soft, it's going to be like an ocean. As they put your biscuit inside oven, it goes the melt. So that is why it is very, very important for you not to melt your butter. If you have the intention of doing this, baking this, make sure you bring out your butter from the fridge. Let it stay in room temperature for at least 3 hours. All right, guys. This is the consistencies. This is how it should be. It shouldn't be too watering or too strong. Right, I'm going to transfer it into that a kind of bag. I don't know actually the name of that bag, but I know you will understand when you see this bag. I just do this process off camera because it's a kind of stressful, so I just do it off camera. I'm going to use only that I remove the extension mouth. I need just only that. So I just went ahead and filled my mixture in there, prepared my baking pan. I add some baking sheet on on it. Then I just went ahead once I'm done with this, I tend to use some to press it with my hands first to give it some kind of shape. If not, it will be shapeless. Then I went ahead to use some fake. I use fake to mark them to give it some kind of a brown and a crispy, golden brown crispy look. All right, guys, this will be all for this video. And if you find this recipe worth trying, please let me know in your comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please don't click out without giving me your support. I just want to say thank you and God bless you. Hey, yeah, yes, I'm talking to you. Don't click out watching. And if you watch this far, as usual, you know I have to leave some kisses for my loyal supporters. Those are your kisses. Let me know if you receive it in the comment section so I can appreciate you openly. Thank you all and God bless you. So this is the process. I just went ahead to press it down a little so I can get some shape. When you are doing this, I advise you, make sure you rub some oils on the fork before pressing it. If not, if you don't rub oil, it's going to stick. It's going to stick to it. So you use oil to rub your fork before pressing pressing it. This is optional if you don't want to stress yourself. I was just trying to be creative, so to try something new. All right, the look wasn't bad. The final result was it. Super crispy as usual. This is Susan on the beat. Okay, guys, this is super affordable for the family, and trust me, kids loves this. The whole family will rock this in a second. Beatrice, my daughter, she loves it. She ate it. The next day, she after taking her milk, she still went ahead and finished the rest, the leftover. All right, guys, this is its final look. Thanks for watching. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. Just lift it up to give it a very good brown, both back and front. So that's very simple and affordable. Cooking time 15 to 20 minutes on cooking on a low flame, a low heat. All right, guys, that's it. You can see the essence of me using the effect to give it that kind of look, lined look. I don't know how I'm going to say it, but you can see the reason, the marks. Yeah, those marks. That is what I was after. After that is what I wanted to give out. So I was so glad I was able to come up with this. All right, guys, catch you next time on my next video. Stay blessed and stay beautiful.